Hello Brandy Boo crew, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something new. I want to do kind of like an eyelash hack because if you remember, if you watch my other videos, I can't do falsies. I can't. I've tried everything possible and I can't do it. So there's that. So I found something that worked for me and it doesn't break the bank. So you can see if it works for you if you want to have beautiful looking lashes for little dough, and it's so easy I can do it. So we got those going for you right there. So all right, well, I'll be right back with the little eyelash tutorial. Okay. Okay, so first you have to know what to use. So there's different things you can use as your seal and your bond. You'll understand once I get through it. You'll kind of get it. I have two different kinds with me now. This is the lower end of it. This is from Kiss. It's called Boscara. You can get this at Rite Aid, Walmart, any of those stores like that, and it won't break the bank. These, however, I went on a splurge. These are from Lashify, and I got these. So, I mean, in all honesty, because I was just wanting to test it out and see which ones are better. They're kind of all pretty much similar. These do hold on a little bit longer, but no matter what they claim, like they'll say, oh, this can stay on for days. They don't, at least not with me, because once I go to sleep, I sleep like this. My eyelashes, like if I sleep like upright on my back, then maybe I could sleep in them and they'll be okay the next day. But 9 times out of 10, I wake up and there's an eyelash here, an eyelash on my bed. Jude has an eyelash on his forehead. I mean, it's just, you know, it's bananas. So, but we need these. Oh my gosh, I swear. And then there's all different kinds of these little eyelashes, and there's different sizes. I got these on Amazon. I think these are like $8.99 for a pack, and I get different packs because I want different lengths, because I put them like the longer length I put on the outside, then I go shorter and shorter. So we, you know, kind of go from there. And let me just show you also you need either these tweezers. These is from Urban Doll, because I got theirs too, which I wasn't too fond. Now for Urban Dolls, if you want something like out there, like, you know, like spiders on your eyelashes, then maybe they're for you. But I like a simple kind of look, you know, like I just like it. I wanted them to look better than my own lashes. Like I just don't want to look like my lashes can walk off by themselves. I'm not into that look. I'm not saying people that have that look or anything wrong with it. Do you, boo? If it works for you, you feel beautiful in them, wear them. But me, I like to tone it down a little bit. I want to look like I have pretty lashes, but I don't want it to look extra. So, but okay, so let me show you. I got a little mirror here. Is it gonna stay? Of course not. So what I do is with this one, I do different with, I'll just start with this. Don't mind me. With these, there's like it's like a mascara. So if you know how to put on a mascara, you can put this on. It's like totes easy. You know what I'm saying? So you just put it on like mascara. I'm gonna do one side so you can see, and then I'll just do this one side, and then you can see. So yeah, just looks like some mascara. And if I was just doing it with this one, I would just do the mascara and be done. But with this, it has, with the Lashify, it has this extra kind of glue. It helps it stay on a little bit longer, I'm not gonna lie. But you can do the same thing with just this. So all right, now, and this is how I do it. You probably, there's different ways to do it. Some people put it on the eyelash, but I don't know. I like doing it this way. It works for me. So that's my thing. That's my thing. Okay, and then I get my little tweezer. So we're going to do, I'm gonna be a little extra today. I'm gonna do a 14, which 14 is like big for me. So, you know, anyway, so, and then you just put it on. I wonder if you can see it. You just put it on underneath your lash like this, and it catches it. Okay, so I'm gonna do this other one, another 14, not 14 inch, 14 millimeter, whatever, 14 mm, the longer size. I'll do that. I never said I was smart, so. All right. Okay, and then there. Then I'm going to go down to the 12 because we want it to look a little flary, like, you know, like just cute. Make it look like a little flare at the end, you know what I'm saying? And then you do the 12. Now, and then I have 10. 10's going to be on the inner part of the eye. Sometimes with these, since I don't have like a lot of eyelashes, closer, like I don't have a lot of eyelashes, but closer to like my inner eye, I don't have hardly any eyelashes. So I do actually have to put some on there just to be on the safe side here. Okay, make sure it don't fall off because I don't have that much to hold it on to. Oh, see? We're having a malfunction junction. We're having issues, dogs. Dog. Okay. Oh, why is that one acting up? See, I told y'all, but for reals though, this is a lot easier for me than the other stuff. So let me put some more glue right here and try to get the ends. All right, well, let me fix this, do my other eye, and then I will be right back. Okay, so here I got both of my eyes done. So there we go. Oh, look, one of them's being funky. See, that's what I'm saying. It just, but once they're on there, they're pretty on there for like the whole day for the most part. And then there's one last step. Even with the Falscara, they have a seal one too, and you seal it. But I'm gonna use, they have a seal one here for the Lashify, and you can kind of like put it on like the mascara like that. And then I usually, with the little, where am I at here? With the little ball part at the top, I go like this underneath and seal it. Seal it like that. And then I seal these like this. And bing, bing, boom. You have your false eyelashes on, and they look good, and they look, I mean, this one girl said at work, she was like, did you go get your eyelashes done? I'm like, I'm not spending $150 to get my eyelashes done. There's no way. Like I when it comes to looking good and stuff like that, I do it in the most inexpensive way possible. So it's like, I want to look cute, but I don't want to spend all my money looking cute. Like, I really don't, and I don't have it like that anyways. So I'm trying all these different things to, you know, look cute. Like, even with, like, I got my nails done. I did these at home. I got my own little dip kit off of Amazon for like $23, and I dipped my own nails. Like, they're not the best, you know, but I did it myself. I am not not this time in life. Like, the way things are right now, there's just no way. Like, I can't spend all this money on myself when going to the grocery store to feed 5 of us in my household is like $300 a week. Are you serious? No. I don't have the money to sit there and do something like that. To $100 get my eyelashes, $60 every week to get my nails done. No, I refuse. So I am trying all these different ways to, you know, like, be bougie on a budget, because that's just how I gotta do things now. So, but I just wanted to stop in and do that little eyelash tutorial, just to let you know how, how I do my eyelashes, give you guys little ideas on, looking, being able to look like you have falsies on. If you can't do the strips, I can't do the strips to save my soul. Like, I just can't. There's just no way I can do the strips. So I had to think of different ways. And like I said, I'm not spending $150 to get eyelash extensions. You got me messed up all the way. So yeah, no, not doing that. So I found this. I mean, and it works for me. It really works for me. Looks like the top one is acting up. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of your face. But that's pretty much all I wanted to do. I hope everyone's having a great day. If I have this up in time, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, because tomorrow is Mother's Day. And so I'm hopefully gonna have a lazy day and the kids will clean the house. I can hope and I can dream. It won't happen. But anyways, it was wishful thinking. I can hope. But all right, enough of me talking my ear off, or me talking your ear off. Anyways, okay. All right, you guys have a great, wonderful day wherever you are. And just have the best day ever. Bye.